Hello squaddies, I am Phil Mackenzie, former professional rugby player turned founder of the Lean Squad, and today I am in Japan, Oita, for the Rugby World Cup 2019 to watch Canada play the All Blacks. So it's very exciting, long day of travel, almost 12 hours. I flew from Tokyo, bus trips, everything lean and in between, but I'm gonna fire it up before I get to the game today, and that's what's most important. It's just about short, sharp, getting the body burning, getting the metabolism going after a long day of travel. So today, it's only a 12-minute hit, low impact. This is perfect for beginners, and it's also super quiet in the hotel room. The hotel rooms here are tiny, and we don't want to make a lot of noise. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, never miss the leanness again, and a big thumbs up if you got this workout done. So here we go. You're just gonna follow me. 3, 2, 1. We're going for 20 seconds. And I just want to loosen up that lower back here. So just elbows out. Remember, today is all about low impact, nice and quiet in that hotel room. But the most important thing is we just get moving. Now, in 2, 1, I want you to touch your toes. Walk your hands out here, back up, stand up nice and tall. Walk, hands out, back on up, stand up nice and tall. You're driving with those legs. We're engaging the core. We got 20 more seconds to go. Whew. So I can already feel I'm sweating out that long travel day. I took a 2-hour bus from Tokyo to the Narita airport, then a 2-hour flight. 3, 2, 1. Stand on up, and I just want a little shuffle for 20 seconds. We're stretching out the hamstrings. So you drive that heel into the ground, push your butt back, and we're gonna loosen up those hammies. Keep on going for 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And now I want you to walk out your hands, and we're just going calf stretch. Now, because this room is so small, I can't show you the sideways view, but I'm basically just rocking out my calves here. And in 3, 2, 1, we walk on back up. And we're just gonna go nice and easy squats. Now, take it very easy. We're still building into this workout. We got 30 seconds to go. I want you to sit back on your heels, stand up nice and tall, keep the chest up, and we're loosening everything up. We got 18 more seconds to go, and then we're gonna drop down into push-ups. But these push-ups are gonna be tempo push-ups. You can do them on your knees, or if you're feeling strong, then do them with your feet extended. 3, 2, 1, dive down into tempo push-ups. So we're gonna go slow on the way down. See how slow? Go with me. 2, 1, and slow on the way up. 2, 3, 4. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Walk back up. Grab a sip of water. Get excited because you've already done 3 minutes of activity. 3 minutes. You should always be super proud when you get your workout done when you are traveling. A lot of people don't think travel and leanness go hand in hand, but they are like yin and yang. They actually do, and it makes you get way more out of your travel at the end of the day. So, enough of me talking. First exercise is going to be mountain climber march. Again, I can't show you from the side, but I'm going to demo here before we get going. So everything is nice and long. You can do this elevated if it's your first time, hands on a chair or the bed in your hotel room. Okay, we're gonna do that for 40 seconds. We're gonna have 20 seconds rest, and we're gonna go through 5 exercises, okay? 2 times through. Get excited. It is time to get lean. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go, squatties. Get excited. And remember to subscribe to this channel and tag me if you get this done. I want to show you guys firing up the leanness, because every time you do, you tag me at LEANSQUAD on Instagram and I share. We're going to inspire those around you to follow suit, and that is what it's all about. So keep everything nice and long here. We're engaging our core. We're nice and quiet in that hotel room. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Oh, that was 40 seconds, and I am already dripping sweat here, but I know it's gonna make me feel way better, and I'll also enjoy a few whoops of that game. In 8 seconds, we're gonna go squat, knee. Now, depending on how you're feeling, the tempo is up to you. Just get in that rhythm. 2, 1, I'm gonna try and go nice and fast, and you can see we're dead quiet in this hotel room. 30 seconds to go. Woo. Awesome work. Get in that rhythm, keep that chest up high, sinking nice and low to really get full reps. Drive that knee across. Remember, we're always working on engaging that core in everything we do. 8 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Another one bites the dust. There we go. Okay, now we're going into hand walkout to standing up, just like we did in the warm-up. We're down, walk the hands out, extend a plank, back up and stand up. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Just like that. And I'm driving up for my legs. Squatting low on the way down. Nice and strong when I'm holding the plank. So one works the arms as well as the shoulders, the core, and the legs. When we're away, it's always great to focus on full body. Here we go. 10 more seconds. Woo. 5, 3, 2, 1. Woo. All right, well, I'm gonna go on the ground here. So we're gonna go bicycle ab alternate. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go 5 or 10 seconds fast, then 5-second hold one side, 5-second hold the other, and I'll count you through, okay? 2, 1, so 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3. Keep going, nice and fast. So the long bout of, and hold whatever side you're on. Elbow towards that knee. 2, 1, switch sides. There we go. 2, 1, back to 10 seconds here. Come on, keep pushing. If you have to take a break, that's a-okay, just hop back in when you can. 2, 1, hold whatever side you're on. Really try and get that elbow towards the knee. Switch. 3, 2, 1, yes. All right, we are 4 minutes in. Next exercise here is plank to knee touch, okay? So I'm in this extended position and we're going opposite, all right? So just stay nice and controlled and widen up that stance if you're struggling, okay? We want to keep the hips nice and square. 2, 1, whew. My heart rate is already up. And we're driving the knee across and that hand is meeting the knee. Whew. Here we go. Nice flat butt and back. This is probably the toughest one, especially after the bicycle abs. Keep pushing. 15 seconds to go. 10. 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right. Quick little shake out of those arms. We're right back into the mountain climber march for 10 seconds. You can see my heart rate is elevated. That's exactly what I want. That spikes our metabolism for up to 24 hours. 2, 1. Here we go. So keep pushing. I think you've only got 5 minutes left. Whew. We're halfway here. I always think of this as like when I was in a rugby game, that last 5-10 minutes of the game, you know you can get through it, you've done all the hard work, you just gotta dig deep, push through, and that's when you get the biggest rewards. 5 seconds, 3, so don't give up, 2, 1, whoo. Squat knee. Now, I forgot to mention, if anyone's wondering why my hair is blonde, or if this is your first time ever watching this channel and the Lean Squad, well, in the 2011 World Cup, I had dyed hair. I dyed it with my wing partner, 2, wanting to squat knee, and we played the tournament and it went really well for us. So I said, this World Cup, if he would dye his hair, he's still playing by the way, DTH, I would do the same, and I really didn't think he'd do it, and he did. So here I am, blonde hair in Japan, supporting the boys at this World Cup. 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds. Whew. 8, nearly there. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Okay, we got the hand walkout to stand up. You can see I incorporated a lot of planking here, some squatting. That's because I find these moves are the best way to incorporate the whole body without flying around, making no noise. 2, 1, not annoying our neighbors, and stand up. And I saw, and see how I squat down into that hand walkout. And I'm keeping my core nice and tight. Whew. 10 seconds to go. 5 seconds. 2, 1. There we go. Oh yeah. 2 rounds left. 2 rounds left. We're going into bicycle abs. So get excited here. You've done all the hard work. Oh, you should be really proud. Made it this far. Remember, we're going 10 seconds. Then I'm going to call the hold. 2, 1. So bicycle abs for 10. Keep that range. Extend those legs. We got 3, 2, 1. Hold that side for 5 seconds. Switch. 2, 1. Back to 10. Come on. 3. Keep breathing. 2, 1. Hold. 5 seconds. Switch. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Now we're on to our last one. Whew. You can feel, oh, my heart rate. But again, I said it earlier, say it again, going to be proud of getting this done. And I also want you to be proud. So make sure you tag me again, 2, 1, at LEANSQUAD on Instagram. Whether that's with a sweaty, smiley face, or actually you doing it. Come on, here we go, this is the last round. And then I made some room for some whoopsies. I've been loving the ramen here. That's what it's all about. It's about enjoying your travel, but maintaining, staying moving, active. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. Big round of applause. You should be super proud. That was 12 minutes, 13 minutes, we got it done in a tiny hotel room, made absolutely no noise, no excuses. Boom, you should be really proud. And with that in mind, guys, if you want more travel tips, make sure you check out some of my other videos in the lean living section. We got some more longer form advice videos, all things ranging from fasting to travel tips, etc. And likewise, subscribe to the channel. And then if you want my personal help, then sign up for your own custom 90-day lean plan today. It's a full meal plan tailored to you, a workout plan tailored to you, and my personal support. My goal is to get as many people healthier, fitter, and leaner as possible, starting with you. Way to go with this, and I will see you back here for next episode.